Romtec Utilities ensures a smooth installation and startup of every pump station by inspecting all materials before they arrive. The Romtec Utilities production staff inspects every pump and verifies the model number, the serial number, cable length, gallons per minute, head pressure, horsepower, voltage, phase, frequency in hertz, amperage, pellet trim, and cable diameter every time. After the pumps pass the initial inspection by production, the pumps are double-checked by Romtec Utilities engineer. Only after the pumps have passed both inspections can they be scheduled for shipment to the site. It is this kind of attention to detail that makes Romtec Utilities projects a success.